Yes. Hi everyone, I am SS Kiran. I am dealing course is electronic devices and circuits. Okay, last class I have discussed about Fermi Dirac distribution function. In this class, I am discussing about continuity equation. Actually, this continuity equation is very important and fundamental concept in semiconductor physics. Before going to this discussion, quickly observe last class slides. Okay, now this is continuity equation. Okay, this continuity equation is also observed in fluid mechanics and thermodynamics. Concept is same. Maybe there is a chance to change in the equations part. Yes, the first universal thing is uh, conservation of conservation of some quantity of energy, conservation of some quantity of energy within the form of charge. Okay, one of the important universal point is energy is neither created nor destroyed. This statement is very applicable for this deriving part of this continuity equation. No need to that much of derivation part is not required for your end examinations. It may be helpful for that final continuity equation to doing some numerical part. Okay, that's fine. Now coming to semiconductors, we talking about charge conservation. Charge conservation, okay, is in the form of electrons, right? Actually, the fundamental law of governing the flow of charge carriers is called continuity equation, right? The flow of charge carriers is called the continuity equation. Okay, I will go the definition. Please concentrate, right? Okay, what is this? See, the fundamental law of governing the flow of charge is called the continuity equation. It's fine. Actually, the continuity equation is applied to any type of semiconductor material. We can take either N type or P type, okay, based on your requirement, right? N type or P type. This can be treated as an infinitesimal N type of semiconductor material with bar of volume with area. This is can be treated as a area. I will show in with need, but the crystal is varies with some time and distance. This is very important parameters. Time and distance parallel concentrate on current. Time we can denote t with respect to small time dt. X is nothing but distance. We can treat as a dx for small. I at the same time we can write di. Okay, these three conversions very important for understanding this continuity equation. The variation in density attributes two main causes. See, observe, these two main causes are very important because of rate of generation and loss. Recombination of carriers means some electrons or holes within the element. I will show the element. You can take any type of element. Okay. At the same time, drift of carriers into or out this element. How I can say into or out? Let us take one material. There is a chance some current will flow like this at the out like this. Okay, you can take any type of example. I will show you. Okay, yes, right. See here. This is showing what I am showing here, it is an infinitesimal n-type semiconductor bar of volume area. Okay, I will annotate. Okay, volume area. Then this is length. Length can be identified as x. I will show small length. Okay, for example, if it is entered like this, it is leaving like this. Okay, this is the entering, this is part leaving. So this, whatever it is entering, this part I will show small part. This is the small part. Okay, right. This is small length, that is called xx. Okay, this discussion is very important. Okay, at the same time, one more length. Okay, okay, very good. Okay, okay, this is called x. The small length can be treated as a dx. Okay, right, very good. Now what happened? This is, I told just now, this is a n-type material. The majority charge carriers are electrons. What about the minority charge carriers? Holes. Holes are the minority charge carriers. At the same time, this can be treated as a hole concentration P is very small. Why? Because it is an n-type semiconductor, right? Okay, at the time, if minority carriers are injected, the minority current entering the volume at x. Yes, you can take one minority charge carriers current entering into the x. Okay, the volume at x is can be treated as IP. Why? Because due to holes, the current is constitutes. That's why this can be treated as a IP. That's fine. Now, what about this leaving side? Leaving side, how we can define? Very easy. If it is x, the small length can be treated as a plus dx. If it is IP, then we can write at the same time dip. These two parameters are helpful to derive continuity equation. No need that much of intention to deriving this entire part. Yes, its understanding is enough. Okay, simply remember that final equation. That is enough for your end examination. Helps to doing numerical problems. Right, sir. The minority carrier concentration injected into one end, at the same time leaving to another end with decreases exponentially. Okay, now this entire representation relating to continuity equation. Yes, sir. Now here the important thing is, if any current is, how current is produced? Due to movement of charge carriers. Here the holes are moving from this area to, and this coming to out this side. This current is produced. This current is produced with this area. Now, how this current is applicable to current density by I by A is denoted as J. Now, finally, current density J equal to I by A means current with respect unit area, that is called current density. This equation is very helpful for understanding the continuity equation. Yes, sir, that's fine. Now, could you please write how we can write in the form of due to hole concentration with respect to current density due to hole? Very simple. Jp equal to Ip by A. That's all. Okay. Yes, we know already one charge 1 by QA, 1 by QA, DIP, some difficult to write the equations, just you can observe dx equal to, due to mouse issue, 1 by Q, okay, at the same time DIP by dx, okay, this is one derived equation. Now, due to some recombination happened here, generation recombination, G by P naught by tau P, okay, tau P. Due to recombination, but charge can be neither be created nor destroyed. But increase in holes per unit volume per second, that can be treated as a dP by dt. Based on these are all mathematical part, I have write one direct equation with respect to hole and time, though P by dou T equal to sum of all algebraic equations, you know, equal to minus whole P minus PE by tau P minus, already I have derived 1 by Q, okay, 1 by Q dou JP by dou X. This is one important equation we can write directly, okay. Now, what is JP? Very simple, JP equal to current density due to holes, you have to observe very much clearly, minus Q dP by dx plus QP mu P, mobility with respect to electric field. This is derived in continuity equation, at the same time current density, okay, like drift and diffusion concept, okay. Now, therefore, finally we can write this equation with respect whole concentration. I will write directly dou P by dou T equal to minus P minus PE by tau P plus some doping coefficient dP d square P by dx square minus mobility and d PE electric field by dx. This is called continuity equation. This is called continuity equation, okay. I will show once again. This is called continuity equation or conservation of charge for holes, stating the condition of dynamic equilibrium for the density mobile carrier holes. There is a partial derivatives have been used since both P and JP, the function of both T and X, okay. No need to enter derivation part, quickly remember this equation. This is called continuity equation, dou P by dou T equal to minus P minus PE by tau P plus dP d square P by dx square minus mu into d of PE bar by dx, right. Same we can write the side of electrons also, okay. Similarly, the continuation equation for electron states, dou n by dou x equal to, no need to write negative, n not minus n by, here you have to write tau n minus 1 by q dou j n by dou x, where drift and diffusion current density, total current density, where Jn equal to minus q dn by dx plus qn mu n e bar. Okay, just submit here. Okay, just now the final equation is, I will write here, dou n by dou x equal to n minus n naught by tau n. If you write the minus, there is no problem because of this equation, minus plus dn, okay, dn d square n by d x square minus mu n into minus mu n into d ne bar by dx. Okay, this is for electron states the condition of dynamic equilibrium for the final expression. Okay, now I will show quickly final two equations here. Okay, p minus p naught plus dou p d square pi by txr. I think here we are not writing this minus. See, okay, right? P minus p naught by tau p, okay, plus doping coefficient dou square p by dou x square minus mu h dou pe by dou x. The second equation is dn by dt minus of n minus n naught by tau n plus de, I can write dn, no problem, minus mu n dou ne bar by dou x. Okay, these two equations can be treated as a continuity equation. Why it is called continuity? The charge is conservation from a particular area. It constitutes some current. Due to that current, it creates current density within particular area. Okay, that's why this is called continuity equation. The final definition of continuity equation, the fundamental law governing the flow of charge is called continuity equation. At the same time, you people just concentrate this current density, conductivity, at the same time Hall effect also. This already discussed in my last lectures. Just please go through it. Okay, then you will get some clarity. Okay, keep watching. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you.